For constitutional reasons, the United States does not have national holidays in the sense that most other nations do, that is, days on which all businesses are closed by law and employees have a day off. Pursuant to the 10th Amendment, the U.S. federal government only has constitutional jurisdiction to establish holidays for itself, for certain federally chartered and regulated businesses, and for Washington, D.C. Otherwise, constitutional authority to create public holidays is a power reserved to the states. Most states also allow local jurisdictions to establish their own local holidays. As a result, holidays are not governed at the federal level as each state has jurisdiction over its holidays. Although holidays are declared as official, the government, whether it be federal, state, or local, cannot dictate to businesses when they need to officially close. As of 2012, there are 11 federal holidays in the United States, 10 annual holidays and 1 quadrennial holiday. Pursuant to the Uniform Monday Holiday Act of 1968, official holidays are observed on a Monday, except for New Year's Day, Independence Day, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. All current federal holidays have also been made public holidays in all 50 states. States are not bound to observe the holidays on the same dates as the federal holidays, but they are free to do as they will. Many states also have additional holidays that are not observed by the U.S. federal government, such as Cesar Chavez Day, Emancipation Day, Susan B. Anthony Day, and Good Friday. The day after Thanksgiving is a public holiday in California. Malls, shopping centers and most retail stores close only on Thanksgiving and Christmas and many on Easter Sunday as well, but remain open on all other holidays. Virtually all companies observe and close on the major holidays. Some non-retail business close on the day after Thanksgiving while some are not allowed to close on the day after Thanksgiving. Some smaller businesses normally open on Sunday will close on Easter Sunday. If it is their experience they will have very few customers that day. Federal holidays. Federal holidays are designated by Congress in Title V of the United States Code. A federal holiday is a day off for federal government employees. State governments generally observe federal holidays. Most private companies and certain other businesses, such as the United States Postal Service, observe some or all federal holidays as well. If a holiday falls on a Saturday, the federal government celebrates it the preceding Friday. If a holiday falls on a Sunday, the federal government celebrates it the following Monday. Most, but not all, states also observe a Sunday holiday on the following Monday. States may observe a Saturday holiday on the preceding Friday, on the following Monday, or not at all. Private companies and other businesses are not required to follow either the federal government or state government holidays. In particular, banks that close on Saturdays do not observe a federal holiday when it falls on Saturday. Federal holidays calendars from the U.S. Office of Personnel Management. Abolished federal holidays, Victory Day. In 1975, the one notable holiday called Victory Day, also called VJ Day, and Victory over Japan Day was abolished after being in place since 1948. At this time, only one state in the Union still celebrates it. According to this article and other sources, some claim the holiday to be racist, and generally encourages hate against the Japanese Americans, and for that matter, other races from Asia. Also, the fact that an atomic bomb was used to end the war with Japan is seen as cause for its abolition. Today, only the U.S. state of Rhode Island still officially observes this holiday with public offices and schools being closed. Proposed federal holidays. Many additional federal holidays have been proposed. According to an article from CBS, federal holidays are generally expensive, and they only allow federal workers to take the day off. As the U.S. federal government is a large employer, the holidays are expensive. If a holiday is controversial, opposition will generally cause bills that propose such holidays to die. Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday, for example, was one that took much effort to pass. And once it did pass, it took more effort for all states to eventually recognize it. The following list is an example of holidays that have been proposed and have reasons why they are not observed at the federal level today. Some of the holidays are observed at the state level. Federal observances. The Congress has designated various United States federal observances are Euro days, weeks, months, and other periods for the observance, commemoration, or recognition of events, individuals, or other topics. These observances do not have the status of holidays in that federal employees do not receive any days free from work for observances. Trading holidays, see also New York Stock Exchange. Trading holidays of the New York Stock Exchange closely resembles those designated as federal holidays except for Columbus Day and Veterans Day. A total of 9 days are designated, which includes Good Friday where trading is not done. In addition, partial trading occurs on the day after Thanksgiving, the day before Independence Day, and Christmas Eve. The official list is as follows.